Alright, I've got your plan open, and I've just cleaned it up so we can see better. Turned off a lot of things. And I'm going to turn off color. And what we want to do is make that roof plane and that roof plane, they need to be coplanar, so they need to be at the same level. And the one I've got highlighted needs to move to the right, essentially. And that will make the ridge line up with this ridge right here. So to figure out where to move it to, there's a couple ways of doing it. You could just do manual roofs. You know, you could move this to be coplanar with this roof plane over here. And then you could join the roof plane, you know, the ridges, and do all that. And that would put this roof plane here in the right spot over here. And then you could just drag this wall over to where it matched up with the roof plane. You could also do it just sort of by eye. You can select this wall right here. The problem is that Chief doesn't let you move the wall in small increments. You know, if you move it, it wants to snap back to the center of this wall here. And then if you move it too far, it's hard to move it back. It's one of the problems with Chief's automatic wall snapping. But I'll show you another way of doing this. I'm going to zoom in over here, then I'm just going to draw a CAD line. We'll pick up this line here and just draw it out like this. And then I'm going to come down here to the main layer, draw another line there. And what I want is this intersection point right there. So I'll snap to there. See if I can pick that line up and just drag it across. And I'm going to take this wall and we'll just drag this wall over. It'll snap to that line. And then we'll go up here and we'll turn on auto rebuild roofs, say OK. And you can see by the layout here that auto rebuild built the roof correctly. So we'll go over here and take a look, and there's your roof. Just looking at this, I'd say that needs to be a gable wall too. And like I said, I'm going to Control Z a bunch of times. See if I can get back to where we started. Yep. Now I want to redo some things. That looks good. So I'll take this roof plane and I'm going to I'll do it this way. Move to be coplanar with that roof plane. And I'm going to select this. We need to get rid of this little piece that runs up here. So I've got the one key program to do this, but you can intersect join two lines. You can see I've got the one program to do that. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to click over here. And you can see that just truncates that roof plane. And so I'll just drag this over like this, select this roof plane, join them together, move that like that. Again, I'm going to click right there, use that join two lines, click over here, and that cleans up that ridge right there. I can do the same thing here. I've got that selected, join two lines, that cleans that up. And I can join those two. And let's flip back over here to 3D. And so I need to join that with that. And so that manually fixes the roof. And then we can come back over here and look at our line here. And what I'm going to do is just drag it over, let it snap right there. And then I'm going to come up here and turn auto rebuild roofs back on and say OK. And so it rebuilt the roof correctly. So those are two methods you can use. You can do the, you can manually fix the roof and then figure out where this goes, or you can use CAD lines to come over here and figure out where it belongs on this end, and then draw your CAD line across. That to me is the easiest way to do it. Roofs just take practice. I think they're kind of fun. Hope this helps you.